What's up everyone? Salam alaikum. Welcome to this week's vlog. It's 5 something right now.
5:30. 5:40.
5:40. Ahmed and I are right now are on our way to Boston for an investor meeting. So the crazy thing is I already had a flight booked to Vegas today with Selwa. I'm speaking at the Lead and Inspire conference on Thursday. So we had to literally book this flight to Boston and so that I could fly back into JFK to make it to my next flight. And I'm gonna have like less than an hour. So let's hope my flight isn't delayed. Pray for me. Inshallah, inshallah, my flight doesn't get delayed and I can just like smoothly get into JFK and hop into my other gate and take off to Vegas with Selwa. Otherwise, she's gonna have to go by herself and I have to book another flight.
So it's like hella early. We're going to Boston. I don't go through JFK often enough, and it is quite a bit nicer than LaGuardia.
Oh, JFK's amazing.
Yeah. The only thing that I don't like about JFK is like the long.
You have to look in the camera if you're gonna talk.
Okay, chill out. I'm not a pro like you, okay?
Ahmed has no idea how to vlog.
I know.
This is him. So, guys, I like JFK a lot. This literally how you vlog.
So annoying.
Well, it's true. I look so gross. I just rolled out of bed and got in the car. What is this?
This is what I have to look at every morning.
That's so rude.
I'm not looking forward to this flight because, like, in general, I'm not a fan of flying apparently anymore.
You're not?
No.
Me too.
I like traveling. I just don't like the process of flying. Like going up in the air, your ears pop, people are sardine next to you. It's not a great experience. But alhamdulillah, it's only give me an hour-long flight. And
then we have an hour-long meeting, and then we're out.
Yeah.
I got a hijab on, proper hijab. Took my sneakers off, put on some heels, and now we're ready for this meeting. Wish us luck.
Inshallah khair.
Inshallah. So we're back at the airport in Boston. I forgot to get any footage of like Boston. We literally were outside for 10 minutes. So beautiful, totally my vibe. I felt like we were in Europe. I loved it. We have to come back to Boston.
We will.
We will come back.
And Boston peeps, just write in the comments where we should go come visit next time we're here. Because you know how you guys know we like to do it, right? Good food, good vibes, good people, and some good history as well. So let us know.
I literally get into JFK at 4 and my next flight is at 5 to Vegas. So there's no room for delays. So inshallah I make it on time. You guys, I landed in New York. It was crazy. So our flight from Boston to New York was canceled. And so I missed my flight going to Vegas with Selwa, so Selwa had to get on that flight by herself. Then my flight to get in to the next flight out to Vegas at 7:30 was delayed an hour. So it's 6:12 right now. My flight's at 7:30. I landed in LaGuardia on top of it. Now I have to go to JFK, which is another 40 minutes away. It's crazy. So I'm on my way to JFK hoping to make my 7:30 flight. So that's the situation. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the next time you see my face, I'm on my way to Vegas. I made it. It's a miracle. I don't even know how it happened, but I'm here. I'm on the plane. Vegas, here I come. guys, and look who it is. Salwa's here. Poor Salwa, she was here with my bag that she took with her to Jersey.
I have blisters.
Wait, let's show this huge bag of mine. All of this.
It's like 80 pounds, and people think it's mine because of my red shoes.
That entire bag is just clothes that we're shooting in, me and Salwa. This is my actual bag with like stuff I need. Let's do this thing. Ooh, Salwa was gonna come into the room before me and touch everything. Oh my God, look at this bathroom!
Bathtub.
Holy moly, bathtub and stand up. And there's a door for the toilet, so when you're taking a crap, you have your full privacy.
I also wanted to get here before you because I need to take a dump.
Oh, mama, look at this.
Oh, that's why I was stranded.
I went to 2 cities I've never been to in one day. Boston and now Vegas.
I was doing research on buffets we could go to.
You can say we're gonna have a blast. So we're gonna go to bed because it is hella late and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Say bye, Salwa.
Oh, bye.
Bye! So we were shooting and it got really hot, so we came inside. We're going, you guys, look at what is happening. What's happening with my outfit? We're going ham, we're going crazy with these outfits. Just off the wall craziness. This is Viscose launching next week, very exciting. So we're shooting a bunch of looks and taking advantage of being out here. We devoured some fruit and pasta. I'm gonna go head out. We have 4 more looks to shoot, plus finish this one, so we got a lot to do. You look adorable in this hat. It's so cute on you. Wait, look to the camera fully. Oh, you're so cute. Salwa and I are out shooting the second look. This look is even crazier than the first. I don't know, they're both the same. But this one is a modal time. And behind me is all things Paris. Salwa and I are actually really struggling. It's hard to find good places to shoot. So we're gonna keep at it, figure it out, and then hopefully do a 3rd look today. I know, we're both exhausted. I look like a pimp from the 70s.
And I'm your girl.
Oh my God, look at her cute beret. I can't even with you. So cute. You look great in hats. It's ridiculous.
I know.
Yeah, so cute. So, you know, our trip yesterday to Boston was with these investors. Well, the partner of the firm calls me. I'm on the phone with him for 3 hours. So forget shooting, it's dark now. Came back to the hotel so I can get in some like comfy clothes, go to eat.
We have 10 minutes.
We're gonna try and extend our stay on Friday so we can shoot this 5th outfit because I don't think it's gonna happen. Salwa is Diva Central, Miss Parisian.
I wish the mirror was here.
Do you speak any French?
Bonjour. Je m'appelle Salwa.
Suck.
I was thinking of something else.
It was terrible. It was terrible French. Comment t'appelles-tu?
I was gonna say,
Ça va?
Come ti chiami, but that's Italian.
I don't know what that means at all.
What's your name?
Yeah, we're gonna go eat Italian food now. Bye! Salwa's still being fancy.
I'm so happy we're gonna eat. But we're always debating over the same thing.
Yeah, we have similar taste palettes for sure. How is it?
Lamtastic. That was so stupid.
Here are my thoughts about Vegas. I've never seen so many luxury stores in one mile radius. It's insane.
There are like 5.
I've seen like 17 Pradas already.
Yeah, but
And it honestly is giving me Dubai vibes. I now understand when people would say that Dubai is the Vegas of the Middle East. I totally get it. Dubai just ripped off everything. Like the fountains. The Dubai fountains is like from the Bellagio.
Egypt, which are in Dubai.
You don't know what you're talking about. What are your thoughts about Vegas? What do you think? Is this your first time here, right?
It's so underwhelming in the daytime.
I almost felt
So boring.
Yeah, it's really down actually.
Nighttime is fun because of the lights.
This lighting is amazing
I feel
right
the
now, by
only
the way.
good thing to do here is eat if you have my. Oh, Mel, look! Ooh.
Such a freak. All right, we are exhausted. Selma's about to pass out. I like your
It looks
sweatshirt
more
look.
French.
I know. You're getting more and more French as the day goes by. We're heading back to the hotel to go sleep and do it all over again tomorrow. Okay, bye guys. We'll see you next week.